Om Shakti. Amma had ordained on 16 June 2020 that a copper Yagakundam be used by devotees at their respective houses when conducting the Amavasai Velvi or the new moon Yagna ritual. Since then, there have been many questions raised by the devotees, and this is the clarification given by Melmaruvattur Siddhar Pedam management. Here is the Q&A. Can we use the copper Yagakundam to conduct the Amavasai Velvi in the mandrams or Shakti Pedams? No. The copper Yagakundams cannot be used for the Amavasai Velvi in the mandrams or Shakti Pedams, but only in houses. For annual festivals or at festival times, Amma's prior permission or approval must be obtained to conduct a Velvi, and for the construction of chakras and Yagakundams under the supervision of the Siddhar Pedam Velvi Committee and MASM district heads. How will devotees residing in foreign countries perform the Yogam Tarum Yagam or the fortune giving Yagna Amavasai Velvi if they do not have the copper Yagakundam, and if need to be purchased, can the copper Yagakundams be dispatched to other countries? The copper Yagakundams can only be bought from Melmaruvattur Siddhar Pedam and sent from the MASM office by parcel, courier or through devotees only after India's lockdown for the coronavirus is lifted. Is it possible to share the dimensions to make the copper Yagakundams ourselves in our respective countries, as foreign devotees may have all the other required offerings for the Velvi except the copper Yagakundam? No. Copper Yagakundams must be purchased only from Melmaruvattur Siddhar Pedam. This is because all the copper Yagakundams are carefully designed and made as per specifications ordained by Amma. All copper Yagakundams, Om Shakti lamps and statues have been consecrated in Siddhar Pedam Velvi by the Velvi committee with Amma's blessings via the neem leaves. Hence, they should not be made elsewhere. Can bricks or sand spread on a brass plate be used instead of the copper Yagakundam? No. Only the copper Yagakundam that is purchased from Melmaruvattur Siddhar Pedam can be used. Incorrect measurements or materials or shapes of Yagakundams used will lead to negative repercussions. If any of the offering materials for the Velvi are not available, can substitutes be used? No. The Amavasai Velvi can only be conducted upon obtaining all the specified offering material. There are no substitutes. Nature has bestowed unique features in each material, and therefore only those ordained and specified by Amma can be used. Do we need to change the sand after every Velvi? Yes. For cleanliness and hygienic reasons, the sand needs to be changed. After completion of the Velvi, the used sand must be left to cool down and then be mixed with the soil at the bottom of trees or plants. If clay cannot be obtained, what is to be done? To withstand the heat in the copper Yagakundam, Amma has ordained that clay be used. If clay cannot be obtained, Other types of sand or cow manure can be used on the copper Yagakundam. Can we recite Vartha at home? Vartha is recited as a thanksgiving prayer to Amma. This can be recited at the end of the Amavasai Velvi done at home. Can we do this Velvi on Paurnami or a full moon day? No. Amma has ordained that this Velvi is to be done only on Amavasai days. Can outsiders, apart from family members, conduct or participate in this Velvi? No. This Velvi should be done only by family members. Om Shakti.